Good morning everyone. My name is Professor Sudke SS of SND COE and Research Center Evla, working as Assistant Professor at Electrical Department. Now we will discuss the subject of Advanced Microcontroller and Embedded System, in which we discuss the Unit 5, that is ADC structure and LCD interfacing. In this unit, we will discuss the topic of objectives, components required, advantages of LM35 sensor in measurement of temperature using PIC microcontroller. First of all, we see the point, that is temperature sensor using PIC microcontroller, in which we see the objectives of this technology. The objectives of this temperature sensor using PIC microcontroller are temperature measurement, then digital display of temperature, then use of microcontroller to measure temperature, then use of microcontroller to display temperature value on LCD, that is liquid crystal display. Then next point is that components required for this project or experiment are PIC microcontroller of PIC 16F676, then 4-digit or 3-digit 7-segment display of common cathode, then temperature sensor of LM35 IC, then 5V DC power supply, then PIC 16F8887, that is this MCU is powerful and very easy to program this all temperature sensing parameters in the PIC microcontroller. Then it is CMOS flash based 8-bit microcontroller. Then it has 40 or 44 pin package. These are the some objectives and components required for this experiment or project. Then the PIC 16F887 features of 256 bytes of EEPROM data memory self-programming. Then operating voltage range is between 2V to 5.5V. Then it also contains two comparators, 14 channels, and of 10-bit analog to digital, that is AD converter. Then one capture compare PWM mode devices and one enhance capture compare PWM functions devices. Then it is very easy to use with LCD and sensors. Then PIC-3 is required to program the PIC using MPLAB IPE. Then LCD 16:2 display. LCD is used to show alphanumeric characters. Then it has total 16 pins. A 10K ohm potentiometer is connected with pin 3 to set the contrast of the LCD. LCD of 16:2 is used here for displaying the temperature on that LCD in a digital manner. Then it also contains a backlight LED. In this project, LCD we use is 16:2, which means we can display 16 characters in 2 lines. In this project, LCD is used to show whether the motion is detected or not. Then LM35. The LM35 is an inexpensive but precise temperature sensor. The range to LM35 to measure temperature lies between -50 to 150 Celsius. It operates from 4 volt to 30 volt and consumes less than 60 microampere current. It is small in size as compared to other temperature sensors. It is very useful for portable projects. Other devices are breadboard, jumper wires and 10k ohm potentiometer. There are many temperature sensors available in the market, but LM35 temperature sensor is used in this project because it is cheapest in price and one can easily find it in market. Thank you.